Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about DHCP server, how to configure DHCP server in MikroTik router. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Control Protocol. We configure DHCP server due to the reason is for providing automatically IP in our client, right? Without DHCP server, if we assign static IP, then we should always assign IP address manually, right? This is the actually very time consuming process, so that we can configure DHCP server, then all of the PC, all of the client will get automatic IP from our router. So let's see how to configure DHCP server. Let's go to the MikroTik router. Then just go to IP, then DHCP server. Here one of the setting actually DHCP setup, then just you can run the DHCP server in your local interface. Here our local interface is Ethernet 2. Then just go to next, then again next, and then just go to next, finish. Setup is successfully completed. Now we should check our DHCP server is working or not, so that we can remove the static IP from our LAN card. Then we will check is it working or not. Then just first of all we are removing the static IP address from LAN card in our client PC. Then we can go to the LAN card again. There is no IP address, right? We can see status, then there is a details. Now we can see DHCP enabled equal to yes. Okay, then we are getting IP address 254, and is it working? Can we browse any website? Yes, it's working, right? Also we can check which client getting which IP from the lease, right? There is the IP 2054, and this is the host name, right? So that's good, our DHCP server is working. Thank you.